How did I do it? How did I lose the weight at 54 and sail through menopause? My name is Sherry Mackey and I am 54 years old and I lost 23 pounds of menopause weight over a year ago, and I'm going to share with you exactly how I did it. So let's roll back. About 8 years ago, I was experiencing some troubling issues with my skin, a terrible rash all over my face, my neck, my arms. So I found a doctor who prescribed me 2 medications, prednisone and a steroid cream. So although the problem temporarily subsided, it did come back after 2 months, leading to a renewal of the 2 prescriptions, prednisone and a steroid cream. Super frustrated with the lack of long-term solutions, I decided to explore a different modality, and I found myself a naturopath and a nutritionist. So despite appearing physically fit due to my running routine, my body on the inside was screaming. So the naturopath drew some blood work and it revealed that my cells were not functioning optimally and promoting the need for healing from the inside out. So it's important to note that the skin is the largest organ of the body. So it was talking to me. So at the 10 weeks after implementing the dietary changes, taking some supplements, advised by the naturopath and the nutritionist, my skin gradually cleared up. Not only did my complexion and my skin clear up, but I lost 15 pounds during this period, despite not aiming to want to lose weight. So life carried on until the pandemic hit, causing disruptions in my exercise routine, leading me to develop some unhealthy eating habits, and I ended up gaining some weight, particularly around my belly. And I just said, yeah, this is menopause. I was not happy with my appearance and overall well-being, and I searched for some quick fixes, only to realize there was none. So I went back to my past experiences and I decided to make changes to my diet, increase my water intake, incorporate some supplements, and change the way I was eating. Surprisingly, within a week, I started to notice some positive changes. After 12 weeks, I felt amazing, and the symptoms of menopause were minimal, if present at all. So people around me began getting curious, and they were asking me about my transformation, which has led me to create a program that will help others in a simple and accessible way. So I called the program Sherry's Skinny Down Program, and it's available to you online. There's a fee required to this extensive time and effort that I have put into the creation of this. And so by joining the program, individuals receive guidance on what to eat and when, as well as a tracker, recipe books, weekly emails, accountability check-ins, and a private Facebook group just consisting of like-minded women going through the same thing. And we can actually navigate to lose weight and go through menopause much more easily. I also provide weekly Zoom calls for further support, and just a Facebook group that is private so that you can share and chat with like-minded women. So if this is something that interests you in learning more about Sherry's Skinny Down Program, comment yes, and I will personally reach out to you and schedule a call so I can find out a little bit more about you and see if you're a fit for this. And don't forget to hit that follow button for additional continuing weight loss and menopause support.